On behalf of the Israeli Government Tourist Office together with Travelink, we would like to invite you to a biblical lecture by the eminent Dr Garth Gilmour, who will be talking about David and Goliath. The event will be held in St. Chad's Cathedral on Tuesday the 18th of June, and we invite those church leaders to register now. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Garth Gilmour. I'm a biblical archaeologist, and I'm inviting you to join me on a talk that I'm going to be giving about 1 Samuel 17, perhaps one of the best known passages in the whole Bible, the story of David and Goliath. But for many years, we've been told that it's little more than a Sunday school story or a fairy tale, but it is not. In recent years, a wonderful archaeological excavation in Israel in the valley of Elah has uncovered the site of the battle, no less than the fortress of King Saul himself. It's been a remarkable excavation with some wonderful finds, including the oldest Hebrew inscription ever found. So please join me as I share with slides and with stories about this excavation. We cast new light on the story of David and Goliath.
Hi everybody, my name is Pastor Brian Greenaway of Maoz Israel Ministries. Our charity has been in Israel for nearly 50 years now, helping both Jewish and Arab people in many different ways. Looking forward to being with you on the 18th and telling you more about our work.
Hello everybody, I'm Josh Jones from Travelink. I'm a Christian tour operator. I specialise in organising group tours to the Holy Land, individual tours as well, tailor-made tours designed specifically to your individual requirements. And I look forward to telling you about this on the 18th of June and meeting you all. Thank you.